Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products.
You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. I'm Darlene, this is Emily, and we're going to introduce you to affiliate marketing.
Let's start by breaking down how it works. When you sign up to become part of an affiliate marketing program, you're given a unique URL you can use anytime you promote the company's product.
Then you write an amazing blog post about the product and include a link in the blog to invite readers to check it out.
Keep in mind, your readers trust you, so make sure you're only promoting products that you believe in and actually use yourself.
Be transparent and let your readers know that you may earn a small commission if they buy through you. And if they choose not to use your link, that's okay too.
People will appreciate your honesty and want to support you. It's also a good idea to put up an affiliate disclaimer page on your site.
So you've written your blog post with a link to the product you're promoting, and one of your readers clicks the link, which takes them to the affiliate partner's site.
A cookie identifying the affiliate is placed on their computer. The cookie ensures that the publisher is credited with the referral sale, even if it occurs days or weeks later.
This is awesome because not everyone will buy right away. If they leave the site and come back a few days later, you'll still earn the commission.
That's right. When a buyer completes the sale, the merchant checks the sales record for a cookie identifying the source of the referral. And if they see a cookie with your affiliate ID, then you're credited for the sale.
How much and when you get paid is determined when you set your agreement with the company or person that you're promoting the product for.
So how do you choose which products to promote? We suggest starting with something that you have used and would feel good about recommending to your readers.
Select a high-quality product or service from a company with a good return policy and great customer service.
You'd hate for your reader to buy the product or service and then have a terrible experience with the company. This would reflect poorly on you and maybe cause your reader to lose faith in your future recommendations.
Once you know what product you want to promote, you need to see if that company has an affiliate program and get signed up. You can use Google or reach out to that company directly.
These are just a few ideas to get you started with affiliate marketing. I'm Emily, that's Darlene. Thanks for watching.
Are you using Instagram to grow your audience? Instagram is one of the top social networks online, so if you're not using it, you're missing out. Instagram is a very visual-based platform, so you need to be feeding your audience photos or images related to your niche regularly, daily if possible.
Now, if you want to make money on Instagram, then I suggest you consider being an affiliate. As an affiliate, you'll promote a product and try to convince potential customers to buy the product. On Instagram in particular, there are two main ways that you can convince a customer to use your affiliate link. An affiliate link is a link that a company will give you in order to track your commission. This is really important, and you want to make sure every time you're selling the product that the customers are clicking on your link, because this is how you get paid. The two main places to place your link on Instagram include the link in bio as well as the swipe up feature, but you can only use the swipe up feature if you have more than 10K followers. This is a quick and easy way to make money from Instagram. You can even start this if you don't have any money. I remember the first time I ever looked into affiliate marketing, I came across Amazon affiliate, and I was like so shocked because I did not know that you can sell products directly from Amazon on your Instagram page, and you get a commission just for selling a product. And the best thing about Amazon is it's next day shipping. So a lot of people would want to buy something if it's coming from Amazon. That's why you see a lot of trends center around Amazon finds, or the top Amazon finds of March, or the top Amazon finds for Valentine's Day. You see a lot of these trends because people are usually getting paid commission based off people buying the products that they mention inside of these trends. Although affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to sell a product, many people do not know about affiliate marketing, nor do they understand how to sell a product on Instagram to begin with. This is why many people do not start affiliate marketing, and they're sleeping on a big opportunity. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, I suggest you check out one of the many affiliate marketing programs, which are programs that are geared to getting affiliates different products that suits their niche that they're able to sell on their Instagram platforms. So if you're still a little confused, I'll give you an example from start to finish how you can go about being an affiliate. So first and foremost, you want to find an affiliate program that you can join. Whether that's with one company in particular or with a company that works with different companies, you want to find a program that you can join so that you can get an affiliate link. Once you have your affiliate link, you would then place that link in your bio or use it on the swipe up feature on your story. From there, you want to make sure you're constantly promoting this product and pushing it and having a sales strategy. This will get people to click the link in the bio and actually buy the product. After customers have purchased the product, based on your contract that you made in the beginning with the affiliate company, you will be paid either weekly, bi-weekly, or every couple of days or so. It's all about the contract that you made with the company you chose to be an affiliate with. But with every good thing, there are some bad things. So the cons to affiliate marketing through Instagram is that you don't have any say-so in the back-end process of marketing the product or after a customer purchases a product. Everything such as complaints or following up will be handled by the company itself. Your only job is to sell the product. Another downfall to affiliate marketing is that if someone goes to your link and find the product and decide they don't want to buy, but purchases a few days later without using your link, then you will not get the commission. And that's simply because they did not use your link. That's why it's important to always try to get your potential customers to click your link. Well, that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.